Hi guys, happy Christmas! I'm going to make Christmas Rocky Road squares today. They are totally delicious and total favorite with lots of nuts, raisins, marshmallows and chocolate chips as well. It is an amazing dessert for Christmas. I'm using dark chocolate here because all the other ingredients have sweetness in them. I'm going to use 70% cocoa chocolate and I'm going to add a little bit of orange zest to balance things out and also give it a bit of Christmassy flavor. Dark chocolate goes over a pot of simmering water. My chocolate is now beautifully melted, and to give it a glow and kind of fudgy finish, I'm going to add some butter and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. And I'm just going to stir through it. It gives a sweetness and also kind of fudgy texture. I'm going to take this chocolate mixture straight off the heat and pour it in a mixing bowl. This will now bind the other dry ingredients together. I'm going to crunch up some digestive biscuits and put them there. You can also use tea biscuits. I'm going to chop up some almonds and pistachios and put them there. And I've got some lovely raisins here, which will add some fruity flavor to the Rocky Roads. And then I'm going to add some lovely mini marshmallows. And at the end, for the extra sweetness, I'm going to add some chocolate chips. I love them. To give the Christmas flavor, I'm going to add the zest of one small orange. The combination of chocolate and orange always reminds me of Christmas. And now using the spatula, I'm going to give it a good mix through until it's nicely combined. Once I have the nice chunky chocolatey mixture, I'm going to put it into a lined tray. I have lined it with parchment paper. It's really important that you do this, otherwise it will stick to the tray and you can't turn it over. Now everything goes into the tray, and for leveling it out, take another piece of parchment paper, put it on the top and press it down. This makes it much more easier, believe me. And now we are going to even it out by pouring a little bit of melted chocolate at the top and spreading it out so it's nice and even. And this goes into the fridge overnight. This is the Rocky Road that I set overnight in my fridge, and I'm going to turn it out and I'm just peeling off all the greaseproof paper out of it, and I'm going to sprinkle some icing sugar to make it much more festive, and I'm going to slice them up in squares. It's a beautiful Rocky Road, isn't it? It's chocolatey, orangey, marshmallowy, nutty, and raisiny. You need to try this Rocky Road definitely this Christmas. It's so delicious. Leave me a comment and tell me if you like it and you want to see more recipes like this. And of course, like it and share this video with your family or friends. Subscribe and I'll see you soon. Happy Christmas, my YouTube friends. Have a lovely holidays.